Hey guys, I'm back today with this really pretty makeup look. One of the palettes I'm going to be using is the Warm Palette, the 88 Eyeshadow Palette by Coastal Scents. I'm going to start off by priming my skin with this Baby Skin from Maybelline. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows using my pencil from Colourpop. It is a brow pencil. It is in black brown. I love this eye pencil because it has a spoolie on one end that I can go ahead and brush my eyebrows while I go ahead and apply the product on my eyelashes. my eyebrows, sorry. Now I'm going to be going in with my concealer in Toffee. Sorry I didn't show it to you guys, but it is by the LA Girls. It is the Toffee color. This gives me a nice natural highlight that I like. I really don't like that like really halo looking eyebrows. I just like my natural looking eyebrows. So that's why I always use this as my highlight. Alright guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this eye primer by Sigma. I just got this and I am loving it so far, and I'm going to put this all over my lid for my eyeshadow base. Next, I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetic 120 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking like this a burnt orange color here and putting it on my lid as my transition color. I do apologize guys, but I thought I showed the color in here, but this is going to be a chocolate brown color that I am going to be putting all over my lid and then blending it out. In the next clip that I'm going to show you guys for the highlight, you're going to see the chocolate brown color. My pinky is right pointing at the brown color that I have on my lid. My pointer finger is the one that is pointing to the highlight, and the highlight is going to be a very pretty orange shimmer, gold shimmer type color. Now I'm going to take my Milani eyeliner. This is a black eyeliner, liquid liner. It lasts 17 hours, and I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with this. You guys, this is my favorite liquid eyeliner. What I'm going to go do now is put on my foundation. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, and the color that I have it in is a color Cafe. What I'm going to do now is take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn, and I am going to go ahead and highlight my face with this and take a flat foundation brush and blend it out with it. I like this brush. I'm not using the Beauty Blender just because I don't really like how the Beauty Blender works for me when I'm trying to blend out my concealer. What I'm gonna do now is take this Airspun powder. Have been loving this powder, you guys. It's so beautiful and gives a beautiful glow without being too shiny. I'm just gonna set my under eye concealer and wherever else I put that concealer with this Airspun. This is not the transparent one. I haven't gotten a chance to use the transparent one yet, even though I do have it. This is the one in Suntan, I believe, or Sunkiss or something like that. It'll be down in the description bar exactly what it is called, you guys. And so what I'm gonna go do now, I am going to use this black Radiance powder in Mahogany, and I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with this brush. I'm gonna get a smaller brush and contour my nose, you guys. So I'm just gonna finish contouring my face and I'll be back. What I'm gonna do now, you guys, is use my Mercier pressed powder. I got it in medium deep, and I'm gonna use this to put all over my face powder to just bring everything together, and you guys will see how it all comes together, because right now it looks like my contour is too much and my highlight is too much, but putting this powder, it is going to bring everything together. You guys are going to see. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and take this brown eye pencil by NYX. It is a dark brown pencil. You guys know for the most part I only use the dark brown one. You guys rarely see me use black because I just like how the dark brown pencil looks under my eyes. So I'm just going to line both my eyes with this dark brown eye pencil, and I will be back. I'm going to take my black Radiance contour powder that I use, and I'm just going to smudge out the bottom lash line of that pencil that you guys saw me use. This is something new that I just started. I'm seeing how it looks, and I might start doing this more often if I like how it actually looks. I'm going to just take my two mascaras and I'm going to use these together. You guys know that lately I have been doing this and I absolutely love how it's making my lashes look. That's why I have been combining them, but you don't have to do this. You can use each individual on its own because both of them are awesome on their own. The names of them will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check out. So what I'm going to do now is take my blush by MAC. It is a beautiful natural blush. It's called Raizin and I absolutely love it. I'm going to use this and I'm going to just put blush on my face and I'll be back, you guys. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take my lip gloss. This is the NYX Lip Gloss and it's called Natural. It is a very beautiful natural color, you guys. And I will be back with my finished look. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And look in the description box for this week tutorial. I love all of you guys. Bye.